Generally, we feel that only if my income is above the basic exemption limit, only then I am supposed to file income tax return. But that's not the case. Even if your income is below the basic exemption limit and you do certain things, still you are liable to file your income tax return. For example, if your total business sales or turnover during the year is over rupees 60 lakh, if your professional receipts for the entire year are above rupees 10 lakh, if your TDS and TCS collections are more than rupees 25,000, 50,000 in case of senior citizens, if your total savings in your bank account are more than rupees 50 lakh, if you deposit more than 1 crore in your current account, if you spend more than 2 lakh on foreign travel, if you spend more than 1 lakh on electricity bill. So under above all these cases, you have compulsorily to file income tax return. Now there are certain cases where filing an income tax return is not compulsory, but then you become stuck. You have to file your income tax return. Like if you want to claim and refund, so there is no option but to file an income tax return. And there are such more things such as if you are a company or a firm, you have to file your income tax return. If you want to carry forward a loss, if you have asset or you have interest abroad, if you are a signing authority in a foreign account, if you earn from charitable or political activities, or you are a foreign company with treaty benefits, you need proof for loans or visas. Even for NRIs, if your income is above rupees 2.5 lakhs, you have to file income tax return. Even if you have any gains from selling properties, whatsoever might be your income, still you have to file income tax return.